In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up permissions on a given function. In the Patients data class, we have a register function which creates a new patient. We create a register patient privilege. We select the patients.register function as a resource and authorize the execution of this function for the register patient privilege. We create a new create patient privilege, allowed to create data on the Patients data class. By doing this, the creation of data in the Patients data class is protected by a privilege. The doctor must be able to execute the patients.register function to create new patients. Thus, we add the register patient privilege. Because this function creates new patients in the Patients data class, we also add the create patient privilege. We have a web form to create a new patient. The create patient button calls the patients.register function and refreshes the patients list. We render this web form. A user with a doctor role is authenticating themselves. We are authenticated as doctor. The doctor can create a new patient because they have both permissions to execute the patients.register function and to create data in the Patients data class. Go on watching this series and learn how to promote a function with privileges. Thank you for watching.